You look pregnant though, girl. Alright, yeah? Have a good one. Look really pregnant. Yeah, man, that's how when you connect, you know? You and the animal them live as one. Everybody want to say, wait then, how will I see this? Clear the road. Clear the road, man. And stop that. You can't fight me.
When outsiders came, they handled animals different. They'd crack the whip. That's why we called them crackers, because they would just whip the horses. They didn't understand the land or the creatures living on it.
See this right here? We wasn't separate from the land or the creatures on it. Moorish peoples lived with nature, not above it. Animals knew us. They had to break that bond.
Cut us off from soil.